Hello, today we're learning about stratospheric ozone depletion. That is when the stratospheric layer of our atmosphere starts slowly going away, which causes harm to the Earth and to humans. This mainly occurs in the Antarctic and also above the Arctic is where it is thinning significantly. The causes: ozone depleting chemical CFCs. When the CFCs reach the stratosphere, the ultraviolet radiation from the sun causes them to break apart and release chlorine atoms, which react with ozone, which starts the chemical cycles of ozone destruction that deplete the ozone. Chlorine atoms. One chlorine atom can break apart more than 100,000 ozone molecules. Another issue: ozone holes, which result when ultraviolet gets through the Earth. Gases that contain CFCs, halons, and freons cause ozone holes. All these gases contain chlorine as well. CFCs are non-toxic, non-flammable chemicals containing atoms of carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. They are used in the manufacture of aerosol sprays, blowing agents for foams and packing material such as solvents, and as refrigerants. Ozone-oxygen cycle. Consequences of ozone depletion. It causes skin cancer, cataracts, damages living cells such as DNA, and decreases crop yields. Prevention. Choose CFC-free products for your households. Ensure company supplies and products are as free of CFCs as possible. Replace refrigerants and follow the Montreal Protocol, which is an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out substances that are responsible for ozone depletion. Also, you should use sunscreen from 12 to 2 and wear sunglasses. Thanks for watching.